Hi guys, it's Joshua once more and welcome to Inspiredfingers.net. Today I want to show you something real quick and easy on the key of A flat major. This video was actually inspired by one of my friends' WhatsApp status where I saw Bishop Marvin Sapp singing a song by Fred Hammond titled No Weapon. Alright, a very nice and easy song to learn. I think it was actually done on the key of A flat major. So that's why we're sticking with the key of A flat major for the song or for this entire video tutorial. Alright, so the song goes like this. No weapon formed against me shall prosper, and it will work. That's how the song goes all throughout. I don't know the full lyrics of the song, but that's how the song goes all throughout. I mean the chord progression. So it goes from the 1 to the 7 to the 6, real basic, to the 5, 4 to the 3, then walk up from the 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, however you want to do it. Anyhow, it's still nice. Okay, but I want to show you what you can do on that walk up. Okay, because you want to sound a little bit matured and expressive. So that's it. All right, so what did I do? I'm actually playing the D flat major chord, second inversion over my 2 on the left hand. All right, so but before I land on the 2 chord, what I'm doing is you understand? So I played D flat, E flat, then as I'm landing on the F, that's when I land on the full chord. Alright, so my left hand is playing B flat, which is the 2, then F and A flat, and my right hand is playing A flat, D flat, and F there. Okay, let me spell it out again. On my left hand I'm playing B flat, F and A flat. On my right hand I'm playing A flat, D flat, and F. Okay, so remember. Alright, so this is the next chord. This is the next chord, which is on the 3, and on my left hand I'm playing C, A flat, and B flat. On my right hand I'm playing the E flat major chord, second inversion, and that is A flat, E flat, and G. Okay, so this is on the 4 now. So remember, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That's the movement we're trying to bring out. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is on the 4. Now for the 4 chord, what I'm doing on my left hand is playing B flat, A flat, and C. On my right hand I'm playing F, B flat, F, B flat, C, and F again. But watch my 2 middle fingers there. I'm actually slurring from the B flat to the C. So truly the chord is just like this on the right hand. So that's F, C, and F. So I'm just only slurring from the B flat to the C. Okay, F, C, F. You understand? So this is on the 5, and what I'm doing is, let's start from the 4 again. You understand? But you do it a little bit faster, that makes it more expressive and together. You understand? So on my left hand I'm playing or let me just call out. Okay, so that's D flat, C, then before I land on the full 5 chord. Okay, so and that's the B flat there. I'm landing on. So this is on my left hand, this is E flat, B flat, E flat on my left hand. Then on my right hand I'm playing F, B flat and F. So remember 4, okay, so that's the 5. So this is the 6th chord, real simple, and that is F, D flat, E flat. On my right hand I'm playing A flat, D flat, E flat and A flat again. Okay, now this is 7, and that is G, E flat, F, then B flat, E flat, F and B flat. So there's the 1 chord, and that is A flat, C, E flat, G. On my right hand I'm playing C, F, G, C. So that's all. Okay, so one more time. Real fast. So that's it. Okay, so just to enjoy everything, let's just use the loop behind, you understand? No weapon formed against me shall prosper, and even worth So that's it, you understand?